Alright, Jason, Hollis Farms today. Got old Pete with me. It has been raining and it is cold today. Hadn't got just a whole lot accomplished this morning. We got some feeding and stuff done, me and Pete and JC. I just went in the barn, got me a Dr. Pepper, a little pack of nabs, and a few Cheetos. Alright, so here's what we've got into. I went down to the race car shop a while ago and was gonna mount a few tires. Got them mounted. I've got one of those little biscuit type air compressors. I've had that thing for years. I really like it. I bet that thing, shoot, it's 15, 18 years old now. Don't fall, buddy. Oh, come here. And when it gets cold over the last couple of years, it don't want to act right. But anyway, it won't do anything now. So I was already going to town to get me a few snares because I am out of snares, and generally when you catch a coyote, it runs the snare, which it's worth every penny of it. So, but anyway, we're going to get us some snares, and we have got to have an air compressor. Probably ended up at Tractor Supply, and there's another little building supply store in town that keeps these dog-proof coon traps and snares and stuff like that. So we're gonna eat us a little snack and go do a little shopping. We'll be back. All right, y'all, here's where we're going to get these snares. This little old store is called Military Hardware. There ain't much going on in there. I'll film a little bit, but this place has got about everything. Alright, y'all, that little store's got just about everything. I went ahead and got me 2 packs of these snares. They are, I could probably get them cheaper if I ordered from a Shoppin supply, but I don't do just a ton of it. So there was 12 of them for $22.99. I know I can find them cheaper, but I like to support these folks here, and they keep this little stuff here for us to get. So we got it. If we can catch 24 coyotes out of this batch, we'll be doing good. Old Pete's still sleeping. Alright, y'all, here we are at Tractor Supply now. It's raining, so everybody wants to shop today. Alright, y'all, we made it through Tractor Supply. Old Pete was sleeping when I went in. Ha! He was raising game when I just come back out. Had to get me a little help to load that air compressor. It's heavy. So I'm gonna ease on to the house, and got our snares and our air compressor, and I got a hose and all them fittings, and I hope I got everything I needed. But anyway, we're gonna get home and try this thing out. So I'm gonna watch the road because it's still raining. I'll be back. Y'all, so we finally got back. Here's what we got. Porter cable air compressor. This dude was heavy too. I had to get a little help to get it in the back of the truck. But anyway, it came without oil. We got the oil there. Fixing to take the plug out, fill it full of oil, and see if I got to make sure I got all the air hose and everything. I bought a new air hose. If my old one will work, I'm not going to worry about putting a new one together just yet. So we'll be right back. All right, let's see if we can get the oil in this thing. Let me make sure that is what this is. Yep, air compressor. Oh, I don't know if it takes the whole bottle or not. It usually does. They ain't gonna send you no extra. I hope it was waterproof because it was raining on the way back. It didn't get too wet though. I hope it's fun like that go in there. Oh yeah. Got a little sight glass right there. So you fill it up too. Pete. I got to have it. I got to have it. Pete. Got to have that. Can't have everything. I believe he's going to be a chewer. Ain't you? He's going to be wound up for a minute and then he's going to fall out again. He's a sleeper now. I've got this thing childproof. All right. I can't see, I'm going to get me some more lights in here. Just ain't got it done yet. Said it didn't come with it's pretty cold. It might take me a while to get it down there. I'm about to pour the whole thing in there and I can't even see it yet. Unless it's a thing I can't see. Gotta give me some lights in here. Alright, there it comes. I see it now, it's just so thin. It's gonna fill her up just right. Get it all in there. Alright, let me put some of this stuff up. We're gonna fire it off and try to blow a tire up. Alright, y'all got the plugs up. I'm gonna eventually get me some plugs and all in here where I can kind of park this thing across the wall. But I wanted it to be portable. I didn't want one of them big tall air compressors because I'm not going to hardly use any air tubes. Let's peel some of this. Fingers have done got oil on them. Let's fire it up. Ain't pretty quiet, dude. These cords and all is going to get away, but we're going to test it on this tire. Got a new tire on a new wheel, and what I do is I spray a little soap on the bead to make it jump on there a little quicker. Let's see how this compression is going to work. Let me make sure y'all I'm in the view here. Oh yeah. We're going to see how this dude blows the tire up on the wheel. Alright, here she comes. Look out, Pete. Not sure where it cuts back on now. Don't let it blow your hair off there, Pete. So keep in the pop. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, got one side. I like old feet, nothing that seems to bother him. Take a little bit more to get that side out. There it comes. Bottle boy. Well, this is gonna move or not. I done got it enough in it as you think. It's coming. I tell you it is. So that went pretty good. I like the little air compressor. Let's see, I went ahead and got this new air hose out. Let's see if I got the right stuff to put it together. Well, I like this little air hose. Let's see if I got everything I need. Will help me, Pete. That ain't what I need right now. Hang on, Pete. Looking, did I get everything back? Hang on, Pete. Hang on, Pete. Alright, this is what I want at first. Alright, let's make sure. Alright, that will screw on to there. I know that's supposed to go in there. I believe it'll work. I believe it'll seal off. Yep. Alright. Let's put a little tape on this jewel. Neat, Pete. Y'all notice a lot of times when I do something like this, I just grab me some adjustable rings. Where you go, Pete? You need to go outside? It may not work right here. I may have to get a wrench. What is it, man? Hear them dogs barking? If they heard them tires pop, see them. Now, cooking. What? What? All right. Now, I may have messed up. Come on, babe, come on. I know where I'm at now. What is it, Pete, Pete? Uh-oh. We need that, buddy. gonna shoot a hose up till I get to use it. Hang on there. I hope when I get done this all works. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it don't. We got all kind of goodies. Pete, don't shoot my hose up, Pete. Alright, let's look this together. Let's see, where do I, oh yeah. Alright, I have to make sure this will go in here first. Oh yeah. Now, let's look. Tape on this. Pete, I'm gonna need that. Where are you going with it? Huh? It's always nice to have a hand. He's a man, Pete. Alright, let's see if we can get this on there. Maybe we'll get lucky and on this week. Pete. I can't hold my mouth right there. Pete got his right, he's cutting it off. Trying not to tear my deal up there. Pete, you can't have my tape now. I might need that again. Where'd everything go? You got me messed up, Pete. I don't use these old clip kind very often, but thought I'd get one. I'll tear it up before I get it tightened up. Alright. Let's see. I know that thing's kind of loose. I may have messed up, but let's see if it plugs in that. I got the wrong doggone side. It's leaking. Dadgummit. That's all right. I just have to change that in. That's all right. We'll change that in and then we'll be ready. Can't get everything right every time. But we got close. We just messed up on 150. Should have known. Should have known. Too many to choose from. They just need to make 150. Alright, we got that done. Alright, y'all, we got them projects done. Getting pretty late in the day. I'm gonna have to feed these dogs and mules and all before it gets dark. But y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us. Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers. HollisFarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.